Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2024 Can-Am Renegade XMR. We installed some accessories on this one. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about what we've done. It's hard to miss those KC lights on the front. They're a phenomenal light system. We've used Axia Alloys mounts to mount them on the bumper, as you see there. It turned out super good, looks great, providing you a ton of light. And if you see those lights poking out there, those are for the turn signal kit. With the turn signal kit, it is going to come with this piece right here that's all integrated in. Off, on, left, right, and horn button right there. We've also installed the Heat Demon heated grips and the Tusk heated seat element in the seat there. Very nice, very nice. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We can get these parts shipped out to you right away. Have a great day, everybody.